In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Sunday Best by Surfaces, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out the song together. So to play the song Sunday Best, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 4 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are A minor, D minor, G minor, and C major. Let's check out those chords together now. So the first chord for this song is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is D minor. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is G minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G minor. And the last chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the A minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now to make the strumming a little bit more interesting, we're just going to chuck on the 3rd down strum of this pattern. It's going to sound something like this. Down, down, up, chuck, up, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern on the A minor chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, down strum, go. Down, down, up, chuck, up, 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 down, up. Also, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then make sure that you check out my How to Chuck ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be A minor for 5 beats, D minor for 3 beats, G minor for 5 beats, and C major for 3 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by bringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. And now let's add the strumming pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Sunday Best. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Everyone falls down sometimes, but you just gotta know it'll all be fine. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Feeling good like I should. Went and took a walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed, never stressed. Got that sun sunshine on my Sunday best. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Sunday Best. And that's how you play Sunday Best by Surfaces. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video, and to my friends at Soundbrenner for allowing me to showcase their awesome metronome watch. I'm going to leave links in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.